Del Magic Fitness, el grupo juvenil, esta vez entrenadas con coreografía de Andrea Hidalgo. Magic Fitness.
Kiss went a little like this, and twist, and twist.
My first kiss went a little like this, and twist, and twist.
No more teachers and no more books. I gotta kiss under the bleachers, hoping that nobody look. It's like licorice, tongue like candy. Excuse me, miss, but can I get you out your purse?
In the back of the car, on the way to the bar, I got you on my lips, got you on my lips.